Alright, what's up guys? Today's video is going to be pretty simple, pretty short, most likely. We've been having some colder and colder weather in Illinois here, so you know what that means. It's time for some furnace maintenances. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. Do a visual inspection first. Let's see. This has been dripping in the past. Everything turned on how it should. We got a new filter. Our flames look good. I vacuumed out the heating chamber compartment, I guess you could say. I blew through the pressure switch hose with my mouth. That was disgusting. Changed filter, clean burners, clean the condensate pump. It wasn't even dirty, so just a quick wipe out and it was good. So I think we're done here. I also just want to say everything on this furnace was hard to get to. You have to remove a side plate for those burners just to get them out. The pressure switch tube is on the back of that. It was kind of a nightmare, but we got her done. One thing I forgot is to check this capacitor, so I'm going to do that real quick and then I'm on to the next. Cobwebs everywhere. Got a Mana furnace, 90%. Looks pretty new. We'll change this filter. We'll open this up, see what it looks like. Simple drain right to the floor drain. Not holding any water, so let's get to it. We got insulation that was peeled off on the install. You can tell that's what it normally looks like. And then, yeah. Okay, dirty filter, we're gonna change that. Our board looks good, no discoloration anywhere. We're definitely a little dirty up here, a little rusty, signs of water damage. Let's see, I don't see anything down the exhaust piping, so I'm thinking that is going to be from that hose clamp back there. I'll see if that's actually tightened on there or what's going on here. We'll check our pressure switch tubing. Okay, let's check our blower real quick. clean. Very nice. And it's an ECM motor, no capacitor. Okay. Okay. Check this hose clamp back here. Yeah, that's all tight. How it's supposed to be. Okay, we'll pull these burners and clean them now. Do that 3 more times. This is a customer provided filter. Alright, I jumpered out heat. Got the old switcheroo on my door switch. We're going to start it up. Look at the flames. Check gas pressures. Go from there. We got everything cleaned. I thought it shut down for a moment, but it just kind of ramped down. Got everything clean. We got this capacitor, which was a pain to get off. Tested, reading 4 point, I don't remember the exact, but it was within range, plus or minus 5 from 5. So that means plus or minus 5%, and it's rated for 5, by the way. That's what I meant by that. By the way, if you're watching this and you're new, you never want to shut the power off. Don't just kill the power when the heat's on. You want to kill the call for heat so it can blow the heat off of the heat exchanger. While the gas and the burners are off, that fan's going to continue to run and blow the heat off of that. So remember that. Alright guys, that does it for this video. The cold weather is coming. Furnace maintenances have started officially. Here it comes. Just get ready, boys and girls, who knows. But anyways, I didn't show everything I did because we all know maintenance videos are boring, and if I took the time to literally record everything I did, then that maintenance would turn into an 1.5-hour thing, and we all know it does not need to take that long. Plus, we sell our maintenances for $69 for our members. That's cheap. Anyways, this is what we do. It tells you everything to do. They expected me to fill this out, but I don't. They're not too happy with me when I don't, but let me turn this around to myself. I don't write it down on that paper because I write it down all on the work order. Anything important, anything that needs to be, anything alarming, anything that needs to be written down, model number, serial number, did I change the filter, was it customer provided, did the capacitors test in range, blah, 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 you know what I'm saying. I write all that down on the work order, and I'm just not writing it twice, so. But that's a nice guide sheet to go off of. I take it in there sometimes. Like today, I took it in there on the first one because it's the first one of the year. I just wanted to kind of jog my memory. On the second one, I didn't need to take it in there. I know what to do on a furnace maintenance. But anyways, that's a long outro. Long outro. If you're still watching this, you are a real one. And if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button. All right, peace, guys.